The 61-key electric piano keyboard is perfect for beginners and children, offering a wide array of musical possibilities with its 200 timbres, 200 rhythms, and 70 demonstration songs. This keyboard includes a detachable microphone, enabling users to sing while playing, and features a recording and playback option to help improve musical skills. Designed with portability in mind, this lightweight keyboard can be powered by AA batteries or a power adapter, making it ideal for outdoor activities and performances. Beginners will find the simplified function keys and detailed instructions helpful, as the keyboard includes teaching modes and recording functions to aid in learning. The keyboard is an excellent gift choice for kids, friends, and beginners, providing joy and learning opportunities for those who receive it. Manufactured by Gaumon, this model ensures a high-quality experience for users looking to explore the world of music with ease.